saṃgacchadhwaṃ saṃvadadhwaṃ manāṃsi jānatām devā bhāgaṃ yathā pūrve sañjānānā upāsate saṃgacchadhwaṃ saṃvadadhwaṃ manāṃsi jānatām samāno mantrah samīti samāni samānam manah sahacittamesha samānam mantram avimantraye vasamanena havishajuhomi samāno mantrah samīti samāni samānam manah sahacittamesha nam mantram avimantraye vasamanena havishajuhomi saṃgacchadhwaṃ saṃvadadhwaṃ manāṃsi jānatām ākūti samānā hridayāni va samānamastu mana yathā vastu upāsate ākūti samānā hridayāni va samānamastu mana yathā vastu upāsate saṃgacchadhwaṃ saṃvadadhwaṃ manāṃsi jānatām saṃgacchadhwaṃ saṃvadadhwaṃ manāṃsi jānatām saṃgacchadhwaṃ saṃvadadhwaṃ manāṃsi jānatām. Dear friends, this is a message which I want to share with all my friends, viewers and audience. And that message has very strong impact for the world peace. And this has been the creed and philosophy of our great leader, the chairman of the GVK group of industries, Manaratna Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy. We are all playing tennis with him every morning. And when you see him, you will see his every word, thought and action resembles the message conveyed in this great aphorism, a sloka, which is the number 191 from RIG VEDA. Here the message is loud and clear. Let's walk together. Let's speak together. Let's keep our mind balanced and symmetrical to our journey towards growth, peace, progress and welfare of the mankind, birds, beasts, animal, plants. Help everyone. Birds, beasts, animal, plants and humans must learn to live in harmony. And then there will be real world peace. Everyone will learn the value of love, affection, sharing all their wealth and blessings with everyone. All the great people, sages and saints who ascended on the earth did this. The scientists, the inventors, the discoverers, the authors, the preachers, all great people have given the mankind these traits, these attributes of such individuality, dedicated, committed, meditated, and discovered the secret how to be really happy and peaceful and progressive. Here is the secret of his success, his growth, his peace and prosperity, because again I remind you, let's walk together. And the path is truth, justice, peace, love and non-violence, kindness, compassion, honesty, integrity, humility, generosity, affection. Love all, respect all, find the best in all, think well of all, and be good with all. Never find a fault with other. Dear friends, if I really try to tell you a lot more messages from the great sages and saints, you will find all are reflected in his again thought, words and action. One of the greatest poem was composed by Harshi Mehta in Gujarati, which became the breath and the heartbeat of one of the greatest political leader and spiritual leader, Mahatma Gandhi. And he said, वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए पीर पराई जाने रे, पर दुखे उपकार करे जो मन अभिमान न आने रे, सहज लोक मां सहुने वंदे निंदा न करे केनी रे, बाज काच मच निश्चय लाखे धन धन जननी तेनी रे, समदृष्टि ने तृष्णा त्यागी पर स्त्री जनी मातरे, जीवा थके सत्य न बोले पर धन न झाले हाथ रे, मोह माया व्यापे नहीं जनी दृढ़ वैराग जिन मन मान रे, राम नाम सु ताने लागी सकल तिरा तिन तन मान रे, मन लोभी ओ कपट रहित छे काम क्रोध निवारा रे, भने नरसैयो तिन दर्शन कर कुल कुल एको तिन तार्या रे, मन लोभी से कपट रहित छे काम क्रोध निवारा रे, भने नरसैयो तिन दर्शन करता कुल एको तिन तार्या रे. प्यारे दोस्तों, this is my personal experience. I have spent near about 3 decades with the great man of India. People see only the billionaires, the political leaders. They only see the heads of the states, Zelensky, Putin, Joe Biden, and all the heads of the NATO. But see what they are doing. They are really flaming the world. There is a threat of nuclear war because they never follow the sutra from RIG VEDA 191 verse. This is telling you perfect harmony and peace, mental balance, love and affection at the front. Lead the world by compassion, by being yourselves useful and productive. But the world has lost the way. Greed has separated the world in hate, barricaded the world in bloodbath, murder, massacre, hate, greed has dominated the world. Corruption has really ruled the roosts of all such great leaders. But I tell you, a stainless, pure, honest and sincere person will never do that. And that is exemplified, emulated in every walk of life of the great man of India, Maharashtra, Dr. GVK Reddy. He follows everything letter and spirit. You may not know about him, but the people who play tennis with him every day, they are hosts and dozens of such great people. One of the prominent people being Sri Krishna Reddy Sahab and so forth. There are a lot of people. I don't like to make the video very long. They know exactly what is the great man of India, who may not be known to everyone. He is only known as the chairman of the GVK Group of Industries, and he has become very famous because of his philanthropy, the Flag Bearer Project, which is dedicated passionately with full measure of devotion and passion to save lives, that is Emergency Management Research Institute, Green Health Services. But I tell you, I am a witness how much he loves, how much he cares, how much he inspires people to emulate his footprints. And I conclude this talk from one of the great poems from Longfellow. Lives of great men all remind us we can make our life sublime and departing leave behind us footprints in the sense of time. And I caution, in this world broad field of battle, in the bivouac of life, be not a drum-driven cattle in the bivouac of life. The last para is for Zelensky, for Putin, for Joe Biden, and all the people who are warmongers, hegemonistic, political supremacy at the cost of the lives, peace, prosperity, progress of the mankind, destructions and demolitions of billions of assets. Be small, but be illuminating. Be kind and compassionate. Be a fakir, be a Buddha, but love all, respect all. Be a short-lived. And that is very much clear to my Gurudev. He knows this. He loves all. He cares for all. He shares whatever he has accumulated by his blood, toil, tears and sweat. And this is only possible when your mind is fully saturated with noble thoughts. And I inspire people. Learn the fundamentals how to be a good human being. This will be your greatest asset. You will become immortal. We do not live in our flesh and blood, but we live in our thoughts, words and actions which lead humanity towards peace, progress, growth in physical, mental, spiritual and emotional sense. Long live the spirit, long live the day 22nd March. This is the immortal day for all of us who really is associated with GV Group of Industries, our founding father, Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, and the managing director. All the best wishes for you on your 86th auspicious birthday, sir. Jai Ho, sir. Jai Ho, Gurudev. Jug Jug Jiyo, sir. We need you. The world can learn from you how to be such a good human being. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.